Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Subham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for software engineer job as a entry level, so you can apply for this job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Orcase and it's a hiring for software engineer for remote location. So let's talking about this role. So as a software engineer, you will be guide a technical evaluation phase of hands-on environment throughout the sales process. You will be a key part of sales team, acting as a technical advisor and working with the product team as a advocate of the customers and the field. You will be help a customer to achieve tangible data driven outcome through the use of Orcase Enterprise Cloud. And let's talking about this will do. So you will be work with the Netflix conductor and Orcase expert along with the bring and create engineering, architecture and design. So lead and client through the evaluate and adopting Orcase and Netflix conductor and support with the customer and authoring and reference architecture, low toss and demo application, engaged with the technical community both internal and customer by leading workshop, seminars and meetups, and all these things we have to know. And pre-post sales experience with the demonstrating and technical concept including presenting and whiteboarding, proven experience of designing and implementing architecture with the public cloud, AWS, Azure and GCP, fluent coding experience in one more of following like Java, C++, Sharp, Python, Golang, JavaScript, and all these things we have to know. And this will be a remote. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply for the job and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Accenture and it's a hiring for system and application service associate. So those who have a 0 to 11 month of experience can apply, and CTC they will provide for 3.4 LPA. And there will be multiple locations like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Coimbatore, Gurgaon, Pune, Kolkata, Nagpur, Indore, Mumbai and Jaipur, and all these things we have to know. Let's talking about this role. So join in the team of improve the way of client and world works, working with the challenging and dynamic environment using their visibility versatility and create a support solution to meet a client requirement for the analysis of the implementation. So let's talking about this what you'll do. Infrastructure service of operations and on premises of cloud-based technology, manage and operate infrastructure of operations line with a service of experience of label agreement, maintain reliable and secure of IT infrastructure, and all these things we have to know. And support, monitor and maintain application cloud computing system, apply technical knowledge of diagnosis and resolve application issue, and all these things we have to know. And engineering is that creating of test design, test process and test case and test data, apply business and functionality knowledge of including testing standard guideline and testing methodology of meet of team of overall test object, and responsible for designing testing scenario and usability testing, and all these things you have to know. And those who have a minimum criteria of non-engineering graduate, postgraduate like BSc, BCA, BBA, BA, BCom, etc, expect engineering of stream of BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc of pass out of 2021, 2022 and 2023 and 4 can apply. And no active backlog during application and during onboarding, and all these things you have to know. And you can go and check about this and how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here apply and the application page will open, so you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about two job for software engineer job. So if you are looking for this job also you can apply for this job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question then answer in the comment section. I will help you. So thanks for watching. Till the goodbye.